God is with you. Have I not commanded you, be strong, of good courage? Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Yasha 1:9. Every artifact that provides a service is an attachment to a source of energy. To get any machine to perform its function, it must have a special button or pulley to get it started. Additionally, a blueprint is needed to study and know a machine's design in order to maintain or repair it. The great designer of the universe has created you with a major purpose. He has provided an environment where you can thrive and discover your mission. The blueprint for your life is unfolded by His Word. Through it, you will discover your potential. As you journey through this life, light your path by knowing His way, His timing, His provision, and His glory. His ways are much higher than we can ever understand. His plan requires a sensitive ear and a total willingness to follow His voice. Abraham was told to take his household and leave his town and extended family. He had no idea where God was taking him. By listening, he learned to follow God's way even in moments of uncertainty. It is a process of faith and obedience to follow your potential. Being faithful in the small things places you on the right path. Timing is a big part of the process. Seasons come and seasons end. Recognizing your season in God is a key element to do His will. Some people drop out of a special call just because what was promised did not happen in the timing they expected. That is possibly the biggest reason why some do not get to the destiny and enjoy the fruit of their endurance. Along the way, we all need resources to reach our potential. God promises to provide for all of our needs. Unfortunately for some, the waiting for the resources is very difficult. It is easy to get discouraged when we lack the resources for new projects and things we want to accomplish. Nevertheless, God always shows His faithfulness for those who trust Him. Finally, when we get to the conquered territory, it is important to give all honor to God. His glory must be declared at every stepping stone. He wants us, whatever you do not give up on God's potential for your life. No matter your limitations or circumstances, He will carry you over to complete His amazing plan.